NotebookLM can create some insanely good presentation automatically, like proper research, clean layouts, relevant images, even complete slide structure in just few minutes. But the moment you actually try editing those slides, everything breaks. You can't properly edit the text, element behaves like images, formatting gets messed up, and suddenly you are rebuilding the entire presentation manually inside PowerPoint or Canva. And honestly, that completely kills the whole AI workflow. So in this video, I am going to show you a much better workflow. I will show you how to convert those NotebookLM static PDF slides into a fully editable PowerPoint where you can actually move elements, edit text, change layouts, and customize everything properly the way you want. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes. So let's start from beginning. So as you can see, I have already created an entire presentation inside NotebookLM. And the presentation itself looks really good. Now for editing, I downloaded it in a PPT format and opened it here inside PowerPoint. But this is where the actual problem starts. You can see, if I try editing anything here, it's basically acting like an image, whole image. I'm not really able to edit the text properly or customize elements normally like a real PowerPoint presentation. The entire slides behaves almost like a static image instead of a fully editable presentation. You can see this. So to solve this problem, I started looking for a better workflow instead of manually rebuilding the entire presentation again. And that's when I found this tool called PDNob by Tenorshare. Basically, it's a PDF editor and OCR tool that lets you properly edit, convert, and work with PDF-based presentation much more easily. So first, I will open their official website using the link given in the description. You can find from the description and the pinned comment. From here, you can download the software for both Windows and Mac. And apart from PowerPoint presentation conversion, it also supports things like PDF editing, OCR, annotation, AI tools, compression, and other document-related workflows. But for this video, the main thing we need is the OCR and PDF to PowerPoint workflow. So I will quickly download and install the software. The setup process is very straightforward. Just download it, install it normally like any other software. And once you open it, this is how the main interface will looks like. Now from here, I will simply open the NotebookLM presentation that we downloaded earlier. And once the file loads, you can already see the same presentation inside PDNob. Now, before converting, the important step here is OCR. Because right now the presentation elements are still behaving like a static content. So I will click on Perform OCR. If you are opening it for the first time, it may ask you to install the OCR package. After that, you can select your language, choose the pages you want to process. I will go for whole presentation and then simply start the OCR process. Now the software will analyze the entire presentation and detect all the text, titles, images, and slides elements properly. And this is the important part, because this is what actually makes the presentation editable instead of behaving like a flat image. So once the OCR process is completed, and immediately you can notice that how the slides are behaving much more like an actual editable presentation. For example, now if I click on this title, I can directly edit the text properly. I can change the heading, resize the text, move elements around, adjust layout, and customize the slides however I want. You can see this. Even images and other elements can now be repositioned much more easily. And this is honestly a biggest advantage of this workflow. Because instead of rebuilding the entire presentation manually inside PowerPoint or Canva, now you are already have a complete structure ready. You just need to make your custom edits, and this saves massive amount of time, especially if you are creating presentation regularly using AI tools like NotebookLM. Now, apart from editing it directly inside the PDF, PDNob also lets you convert the entire file into a proper PowerPoint presentation. So from here, I will simply go to the convert option, select PowerPoint, and within few seconds, it converts the entire presentation into your editable PPT file. Now, once I open the converted PowerPoint, you can see the difference very clearly. Now, everything becomes much easier to work with. I can directly edit text, change font, modify layout, resize images, add new elements, and fully customize the presentation just like a normal PowerPoint file. So if you are also using NotebookLM for presentation or research workflows, this can make editing process much easier. I have already mentioned PDNob link in the description and pinned comment below, so you can try it by yourself. And yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.